If you are looking for a loan, this could be an alternative that you can analyze if that works for you. Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we're going to analyze the functionality that N26, an European bank, offers to all the users in order for them to request money. If you are struggling and you need extra money, you can apply, and based on your credit score, your credit history, and your financial situation, you can get up to 25,000 euros. In here, you can simulate how much it's going to cost you in order to repay that specific loan. But remember that this is a simulation. The final numbers will be based on your personal situation, and you have to understand that if you don't have a credit score, you are not going to be able to request a loan. So in here, for example, if you want to request 10,000 euros to buy a new car, for example, you can select in here different reasons. For example, furniture, your startup, for education or training purpose, paying back another loan, or for example, electronic device, something else. Then the reality is this is not going to change the amount of money that you are going to pay. But this one is a really important parameter because, for example, if you request 10,000 euros to repay in 84 months, you are going to end paying more money than, for example, if you want to repay in just 1 year. Look at this, you are ending paying more than 1,000 euros in interest rates. This is the interest rate that you can use it as a reference, but this interest rate could vary a lot based on your credit history. And in here, you will understand how much you are going to pay as a monthly payment plan, and it's important for you to understand if this could be easy for you to pay or not. It's not recommended to request an amount of money that in the future will be a problem for you. Take that in consideration before requesting. As I said here, you can request a loan from 1,000 euros to 25,000 euros in minutes, and that's the important thing, that is zero paperwork. You can request it 100% online. N26 is a German bank that expanding in the whole Europe and also is available in other countries, for example Brazil. So you can manage everything from your app. You can stay flexible because you can define in how long you are going to repay that amount of money, from 6 to 84 months, and you are going to keep tracking all the money that you are paying as a fee because you can track everything from your mobile phone. As I said before, it's paperless and transparent because this is a regulated bank in the European zone, and the loan is going to be deposited straight away into your N26 bank account. So it could be really useful if you need money. They partner with another company that is called auxmoney. This is the website that also focus on loans. So if you want to request a loan in another bank, you can search in here if another bank offer a better alternative or a better interest rate. This is a marketplace of loans all inside Europe, so it could be useful for you to explore. You make a request, you will get different alternatives, and then you are going to receive the money within 24 hours, but this depends the bank that you are choosing. Based on the bank, you have to wait up to 3 business days. It's really easy to request, and in just a few minutes you are going to be able to understand if a loan is available or not for you. You can go to the Explore tab in your app, and in there you can select the credit button, and then you are going to go on with the different step-by-step process in order for you to get your loan. If you don't have an account on N26, you can use the link that I leave in the description in the first comment. In that way, you're going to help the channel to keep growing. And some frequent asked questions that are really interesting to understand: how the loan works. You request an amount of money from 1,000 to 25 euros directly from your app. You are going to receive the money straight away to your bank account inside the app, and in there you are going to repay that amount of money from 6 to 84 months. How the interest rate is calculated, this is a really important point, and in here it says that the interest rate will vary based on the amount of money that you are requesting, the repayment period, so the longer the higher the interest rate, and also your credit rating. So if you are a good payer in the past, your interest rate is going to be lower. If you don't have a credit rating, are you be able to request a loan? No, unfortunately. If you don't have your Stufa credit score available, you are not going to be able to request a loan. Why? Because they are not going to give you money to someone that are not able to check if you are a good payer or not, because they give you money and then they want the money back. How much money you are going to be able to request, that will depend on the details that you provide, so be careful when you complete the loans details, and also your credit rating as explained before. So based on that information, they will give you from 1,000 to 25,000 euros, and you will have to decide how much money do you want. How long it takes? Really fast. The application process takes you a few minutes. Then you are going to receive the loan agreement and you have to sign electronically, and after that you are going to receive the payment within an hour. So it's really fast. If you use the other company that is called auxmoney, the money will take approximately 3 working days. So if you use this another company, it's going to take longer. How big of a loan can I afford? That's another frequent asked question. Well, that depends a lot on your personal finance. You have to be careful about this because it's not useful to request a lot of money if you are not going to be able to repay in the future, because you are going to create another problem for yourself in the future. So be careful. N26 introduced what is called overdraft. So if you are struggling and you need extra money, you can enable this functionality and you are going to be able to get up to 10,000 euros as an overdraft. This is transparent, effortless, because you are going to do that in just minutes using your app, and it's personalized because the amount of money that they are going to give you is going to be defined based on your credit score and your personal finance. It's really easy to go. You go to the Explore tab and in there you search for the overdraft functionality, and in there you can apply for an overdraft, and based on your needs and based on your credit score, they're going to give you extra money, so you can keep using your card, keep using your bank account, even if you don't have that amount of money, but you have to repay that amount of money in the future. And it's really important to understand that the interest rate is really high. And here says the interest rate that applies to you will be 8.9 on top of the ECB rate. The ECB is the European Central Bank rate that nowadays is approximately 5%. So 5 plus 9%, you are going to pay 13% as an annual fee. It's really high, so be careful. It's not useful to request a lot of money if then you are not be able to repay it. So be careful about it. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any question, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.